Good morning, friends. Uh, I have seen my couple of team members are nowadays facing problems while shopping from Vestis POS app, and so I thought just to create a video which will provide you a step-by-step guideline on how to do shopping from Vestis POS app, and you can place your order properly, and you can process your payment properly. So friends, here I'm just going to open my Vestis POS app, and this is Vestis POS, and if you do not have this app installed uh, on your mobile phone, what you need to do, you just need to go to the Play Store and install this app from the Play Store. And once you install it, just you click on it. It will ask for your distributor ID and password. Friend, since I have already provided the my distributor ID and password, this is not asking me to provide me the distributor ID and password. But once you provide that, once you enter your distributor ID and password there, it will take you to this screen, which is the home screen for Vestis POS. Here you can see a couple of options: order, my order, add distributors, DAF, KYC, and logout. Friend, I will be creating different videos on how to sign the KYC, how to fill the DF form, how to add distributors. But this video is specifically for how to do order from the stage POS. So here, once you see this screen, you just need to click on order here, just to uh, do order, or just to place your order from the stage POS. So I just clicked on order. Just wait for the next screen to launch. Okay, so we are on the next screen now, and you see the distributor ID and the distributor name is showing up there, already showing up there. Now there are two different options showing up: shelf or courier. What does this mean, shelf and courier? So shelf, it's easy to understand. Once you click shelf here, let me click here. So once you click here on shelf, it is showing you that whatever order you're going to do, or whatever order you're going to make, you need to uh, pick this order from this address which is showing here. You see the address here, it is showing A380 Main Road, Mangal Bazar Road, Sangam, Bihar. So this is the nearest DLCP address from where I will have to pick my product which I have already ordered from Vestis. So this is self. Now the question arises here, I don't want to pick the product from this proper address, the specific address, but I want to you know uh, pick the product from a different address. So in that case, what you need to do, you just need to click on change address button here, and once you click here, you need to click here state. Let's say I click here Bihar, and in Bihar you'll see different DLCP. Yeah, see different DLCP centers here. So let's say I clicked here on the first one. So now what does this mean? That I'm in Bihar right now. I want to pick my product from address which is in Bihar. I clicked here, and it is showing you the address here: first floor, NP Tower, opposite Jalan Shop, Kankar Bagh, Patna, Bihar. So this way you can get your product, or you can pick your address from anywhere in India, right? But now my next option, just coming to my next option, which is courier. What is courier? Courier is your product will be delivered at your doorstep. See, when I clicked on courier here, it is showing me my address. It is not showing me now the address of the shop. Now it is showing me the address where I am living. So it is showing me that okay, whatever product you will select, it will be delivered to this specific address. Fine, I want my product to be delivered on this address, so I'll click on order now. It is again confirming me my address as well as my mobile number. Sometimes the delivery boy who is going to deliver your product at your doorstep, sometimes he is confused about the address, so he may ask about the address. So it is also, you know, inquiring about or confirming about the address, the phone number, so that he can call you up. Okay, I'm fine with this address and the mobile number. I'll click on proceed now. Yeah, see, now my address is confirmed, my mobile number is confirmed, and I'm sure I'm going to get my product by the courier. It is telling me to select the product. Now I'll urge you to select all categories here, and here, see, you can select any product, any Vestige product which you want to deliver, and as well as there's a search option as well. Let's say I want to purchase tea, just type tea, you find a Zeta special tea. I clicked here 2 times, that means I want 2 packet of Zeta special tea, and it is added to my cart. Now I want calcium. Yeah, okay, now I get my calcium. I just clicked on this plus sign. Okay, I got it, it is added. Now I want the rice bran oil. Rice bran oil, it is not available. You see, there's not, no problem. I want to purchase now, let's say toothpaste. Yeah, it is available. I just want this one toothpaste. I want one whitening toothpaste. That's okay, I get it. Now I want, let's say, spirulina. Spirulina capsule, it is not available, no problem. I want noni. Yeah, I want this one file. So basically what I did, I just searched for the items which I wanted, and it is added to the cart, right? Now I'll proceed. Now I see here at the bottom, you can see I'll have to pay total of 1080 rupees, and the PV I'll get is 36.08. I'll click on proceed here. So now it will show me all the product which I have selected. You just need to check that it is correct, and you know this is all the product you ordered. And once you verified, just click on proceed here. You may check the rate again and the PV again. Okay. Now you see online payment. At the top you see there are two options, online payment and bonus pay order. And online payment, you see there's a option 0.00. So this is not the correct option because you need to pay for your product. Just click on 0.00, you will see the correct amount available there. And now just you need to click on place order button here. And friends, now since your order is now placed, and this is the little bit difference between how you do shopping from other shopping site and Vestige. So now your order is placed, but the payment is still pending. Now in order to do the pending, what you need to do, you need to go to my order here. Now I am at the my order button. Yeah, so you see here, you see your order showing, you know in the red you see written unpaid here. That means you already ordered your product, but your payment is still not processed. Just click on the checkbox which is above there, and once you click there, at the very top of the screen you see pay 1080. Now you need to click there in order to process your payment. Yeah, see, now it is, now I'm going to process my payment. Now see, here is a check. It is asking that, since you have ordered uh, product worth rupees 1080, so rupees 65 will be added as a courier charge. Friends, I will remind you here, if you are ordering your product more than 1600, there will be zero courier charge. The product will be delivered free of cost at your doorstep. But then since I have ordered only for 1080, it is less than 1600, so I'll have to pay rupees 65 as a courier charges. I accept it, so I click on yes here. Okay, so now it is taking me to payment option. You see here, I'll click on pay, and friends, now you'll see the different payment method. You can pay by Paytm, you can pay by debit card, credit card, UPI, and net banking. So there are all the options from where you used to pay to any other items. So all the payment options available here. Let's say I want to pay it from debit card. Just click on debit card, fill your card ID, expiry date, CVV, and pay. You'll get an OTP. Just put the OTP there, enter OTP, and you're done. Even if you want to pay it from credit card, just click on credit card. Again, the same option. Put the credit card number, expiry date, CVV, pay, get the OTP, enter the OTP. You are done there. Again, you can do it by the net banking. Just select your bank, put your user ID and password, just pay it. You are done. So friends, all the payment options are available for you. You can pay by any of the mode. So once you do the payment, you are done, and your product will be delivered at your doorstep by next day or next to next day. You will have the phone number of the vendor as well, so that you can check with them then when they are going to deliver your product to your doorstep. So friend, if still there is any question you want to ask me, any question like there is any problem, any delay, any other questions, my number is 9999363332. Again, let me repeat it, 9999363332. You can WhatsApp me on this number, you can call me up on this number, you can message me on this number. I am ready to help you. Uh, you know, wish you wealth, you know, grow up with Vesties. Thank you. Thanks a lot, my dear friend, and wish you wealth. Thank you.